Hello and welcome. In this video today, we are talking about the primary differences between Google Adsense and Google Adwords. This is a video for someone who is just brand new to this space and they really don't know the difference. They might be on Adsense and need to be on Adwords or vice versa. And so they just need someone to please just tell me the difference. And how do I tell which one I am on? So let's jump into the computer really quickly. Here we go. So Google Adsense, if you are in there and you're not sure which one you have, take a look for the logo. Do you have a logo that looks like this? If so, you are in Google AdSense. Now, Google AdSense is run by Google, just like AdWords is. AdSense is for website owners, YouTubers, people who are publishing content on the web. If you are publishing content and you want to earn money from the people who come to your website, Google AdSense is the place where you will go. AdSense, you earn money from showing ads on the platform, and you get paid by Google when people see the ad or click. And earning money and getting paid is one of the primary differences between AdSense and AdWords. Now, if you aren't sure where you are and you think maybe you're in AdSense or you want to be in AdWords, take a look for this logo here that I'm circling. This is the AdWords logo, and it is similar in color. It has the blue and the yellow, but it's not exactly the same. Like AdSense, it is run by Google, but this is a platform for advertisers. Yes, it can be website owners. Yes, it can be YouTubers, but these are people who want to pay money to show ads on a platform, on websites, on YouTube. And so they pay Google when people see the ad or click. AdSense, Google pays you. AdWords, you pay Google. I mean, there are plenty more differences about them and what their functionality is and what they are doing. But if you're not sure if you should be signed up with AdWords or AdSense, look at what it is that you are intending to do. What is it that you're trying to get done? Do you want to drive people through ads to your website? If that's true, then you need AdWords. If you have a website and you want to get paid because people are going through your website, you want AdSense. Can you have both? The answer is yes. You can have a website that earns money through AdSense, and you can pay to have ads shown through AdWords to drive people to your website. It's called, I think, traffic arbitrage or ad arbitrage. The idea is that you pay very little money through AdWords and make more money as the traffic goes through AdSense, so that you ultimately end up with a net profit. You spend less money to earn the money that you make. I don't use it, but some people who do it, I know they do a really good job with it. So yes, you can have AdSense and you can have AdWords, but in general, make sure you know which platform and what the purpose is of you signing up, so that you end up in the right place. Otherwise, you might end up really confused. If you want to know more about Google AdSense, that's what I'm really focusing on right now on my channel. We're really focusing on building websites to earn money through display advertising, so feel free to go and check out more of the content there and subscribe, leave me a comment, something to let me know that you got value out of this video, because that sort of engagement really encourages and helps me continue to publish videos. Saying thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.